Hi everyone, I'm Loretta Adakwa and I'm the Programs Coordinator and Data Analyst at Access Human Capital Limited on our program called the Ghana Grows Program, which is an initiative between MasterCard and then Springboard. Access Human Capital Limited is an HR company. We are into organizational development, corporate training, and then we are into recruitment and selection, and we do surveys and then talent management. So for the Blossom Fellows, beyond their technical skills, what we noticed was that they are initiators and then ready to learn and ready to teach. The program, the Ghana Grows program, as I first said, is a very agile program and would need every hands on deck. They were here to do some data analysis for us and help with our data management. But then they were also ready to just jump onto our group screening anytime we had that, and ready to bring their expertise in terms of screening candidates who were applying for data analytics role and candidates who were even applying for web development role and then software engineering. There were times that they also had the opportunity to look at our website and then contribute to the development of it. So the fellows came in at a time where our data was all scattered. So we needed to do some sort of data management, which would involve our consolidation of their demographics and then the ratings of their CVs. And if I say the ratings of their CVs, I mean there's something we call level and quality ratings. So we look at the level of each applicant and then the quality of their CVs. So this ratings was done elsewhere and then with their demographics elsewhere. And well, we also had CVs that are coming that we didn't even have information. We needed to mine that information from the CV. So this was one major project that needed to be settled and solved, because we needed a standing army where once an employer comes in that they need this number of people within a particular with a particular skill, we can easily go back into our database and then just get the people for them. So with them coming in, they were able to merge this together, consolidate these two things that I spoke of, and then now we are able to easily get our applicants, our candidates, potential candidates, and also do a better dashboard. For Blossom Fellows, I'll say their data analytics skills and then their IT skills is top notch. For the fellows coming into Access and joining the Ghana Grows program, and the Ghana Grows program is a very agile and then resilient program, because there are a lot of things on the program and you need to understand, take time to understand. But these fellows were ready to play along with us and understand how things work out. So they were ready. I can say that they are team players and then very innovative and ready to assist and ready to learn. I'll definitely recommend Blossom Academy to everyone out there, including organizations and youth out there who are seeking to do something for themselves or to find something to do in this era, because data is everywhere and anywhere. Okay, I don't know if you've heard about the phrase that data is the new oil, but yes, data is, you can find data anywhere, and with data you would never go wrong with data. So I would recommend that you go to Blossom for your fellows. If you need anyone to do any data analytics stuff for you, I recommend that you go to Blossom, and then they'll be willing and ready to help. Because one thing I also didn't mention earlier was the recruitment process we had with them and the communication. I think partnerships are important, and they are one partner that we can never go wrong with, and they are always ready to assist you. So just call on them anytime.